So, about a month ago, I posted this on X. I claimed that Bitcoin's going to drop to 76K and then rise to 276K before February of next year. So I decided I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I put some money on Kraken and I set up my synthetic miner to trade those conditions. Now, if you notice here, it's red, which means the price is out of range at the moment. Because if you look at my max price is 92,000, which is exactly one third of 276,000. And you can see that I've got a buy order open here and I've got two sell orders already in place, which means the price dipped below 92,000 to place these orders. And so if I'm right that the price is going to go down to 76K, well, let me show you what that looks like. I'll show you. So if you look at the market view, now if you're not familiar with the market view, it shows you where your orders are relative to the trading range and the price. So this yellow line is the current price of Bitcoin. This golden channel is the trading range of the synthetic miner. So that the top of that channel is 92,000. That's the max price. Okay. The bottom of that channel is exactly half of that. So 40, what's that? 48,000. Okay. So there's 100% move from here to here if the price were to move that way, or a 50% drop from the top down to here. And that's my trading range. So what happens is, as the price approaches 76K, the synth miner was going to just start buy all the way down. As far, who knows? Maybe it'll go down to 40K. I don't know. I hope not. But if it does, man, I'm going to put a lot more money in and buy. So it's going to buy all the way down. And then if you look way up here, these are my two sell orders. And since I'm at the top of the channel already, this is literally 270 something thousand. Let's see what that actually is here. If I go back down, if I look, okay, so the sell price here is 280K. Here's 284K. And so that's what those two orders are, way out there outside of the channel. And so the thing won't buy here in this dark area. It'll only buy when the price is within here. And so how did I set that up? I will show you. If you go to the settings, okay, I'm doing $25 spends and I can do up to 100. Well, this is Kraken. So Kraken only allows 80 open orders at a time. So I can have 80 orders of $25 open at a time. And I don't want any profit, but I want to stash. I'm going to stash 2/3 of the crypto I buy. So if I buy $25 worth, I'm going to stash $18 worth. And then I'm going to sell the remaining portion to get my money back. So if I spend $25, I stash 2/3 of the Bitcoin. I'm going to sell the remaining 1/3 for $25. And what does that mean? So what does that mean? I end up with my money back and I have some free Bitcoin when all is said and done. But only if the price triples like I'm predicting. So we're going to see how well this video ages. And what did I say? I said by February of next year. So that's not a long time from now. That is, well, we're in December, right? January, February. So we've got a little more than 2 months to know if I'm right or wrong. And if I'm right, I'm going to be really happy. I'm going to wish I'd put a lot more money in. If I'm wrong, oh well, I'm wrong. Right? I may be, or maybe I'll be off by a few months or something like that. All right. So yeah, that's the trading channel. As long as the price, that yellow line is within that golden channel, the bot will trade. In fact, if you can see that there's a green line right there, that is the buy order that's placed. As soon as the price drops down to that buy price, that order will fill. Another blue line will appear up here because it will place a sell order, and that'll be the sell order, the third sell order. And so Bitcoin's trying to decide what it wants to do. I'm convinced that, I mean, it might go up, and if it does, then I'm kind of wasting my time. But if I'm right, and it does drop down, even if it doesn't go down to 76K, but it goes down for a while and it stays down there for a little while, this thing's going to be accumulating a lot of Bitcoin until finally if I'm correct, we're gonna see a massive pump, and the price is gonna shoot up. It's gonna 3x from the top price, and that's my conservative estimate. I think my aggressive estimate was 340,000 or something like that. So 276K. That's what I'm betting on right here, and I'm going to give it 3 months because I might be off by a month. There's no way to tell when stuff's going to happen, but there's ways to tell that something is going to happen. And I'm convinced that unless something changes between now and then, we're going to see a 270K, 280K Bitcoin. All right, well, that's all I've got for now. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.